You need to hear this if you're a culture enthusiast. Ever heard of the Lisu people? Let's uncover their unique culture. The Lisu are an ethnic group thriving in the mountains of China, Myanmar, Thailand, and India. In China, they're mainly found in Yunnan and Sichuan provinces. Their language, is part of the Tibeto-Burman family. Thanks to missionary James Fraser and Lisu collaborators, the Lisu now have a written script using Roman letters. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk fashion. Lisu traditional dress is a burst of colors and intricate designs. Women wear tunics decorated with beads, coins, and hand-woven patterns. The colors symbolize joy, nature, and prosperity. In cultural practices, the Lisu are rich in them. The New Year celebration, typically in December or January, is a grand affair with feasts, dances, and traditional songs. And their lifestyle? It's all about agriculture. They cultivate rice, corn, and vegetables on terraced fields, and also engage in hunting, fishing, and gathering forest products. Curious? For more, dive deeper into the Lisu culture and let their vibrant world amaze you.